Another day, graphic effects. Man, why am I singing it? I just made up a little jingle for Jay. Should I try to sell Jay on it? Here's your little jingle. We'll make a TV commercial. Graphic effects. That's so bad. What's up, guys? Welcome back to today's vlog with Daily Driven Exotics. My name is Damon Fryer. This is my daughter, Tyla, one of three. I got 3 daughters, 2 teenagers with boyfriends. You guys gotta watch my protective dad meets boyfriend for the first time. It's the first time I met Carlo, my oldest daughter's boyfriend. It was a fun video. We gotta do a recap of that. What do you think? A follow-up video, protective dad meets boyfriend number 2. I think this time we should really give him a hard time. What do you guys think? Drop a comment. All right, let's go see what this Porsche looks like. Dave's meeting me here, so I got a bit of a surprise. More M3 project stuff on the go. Got my quad shot latte. It's been about 4 days, no coffee. I'm feeling the buzz, and I haven't even had that much. Knock, knock. Bumper action. That doesn't look easy. That doesn't look easy at all.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's super easy.
Watching these guys do this kind of like blows my mind because it's so meticulous. Getting the heat just right, because I tell you, if you put that too close to that thing, it would just melt right through. Oh, by the way, Dave's here.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
They're doing good. I just heard them.
Are they good?
Yeah. Yeah, I heard them. They replied. Well, this was fun. You guys pretty much almost, oh, like Terry was saying, they have to do that 7 times because there's
7 more times.
or 7 more times because there's 4 of these cutouts on each side of this bumper, right?
Yes.
All right, guys. Well, the progress looks good. Food vlog?
Food vlog.
Starving. Food vlog. So we're gonna go to a place called Rebar. They have an amazing cuisine. It's virtually all vegetarian and some stuff vegan, but they make it taste so good.
Wait, what?
Which I've found really hard to do. What? You don't do?
Vegetarian?
Yeah, all vegetarian, bro. They don't serve any meat here, but they have
barbecue salmon burger right there.
Okay, they have a bit of fish. Oh. You guys, we're going healthy today. I'm doing vegetarian. Tyler's going vegetarian. We're doing a quick lunch. I have my tonic. This is like a vitamin C, like immune boosting, fresh pressed juice. It's got some kick to it. It's got some spices like ginger, turmeric, things of that nature. Anyhow, we're gonna down this. Then we're gonna go to Wheelcraft and we're gonna show you guys how they refinish wheels when they've been damaged, like so curb rashing, all that sort of cool stuff. We're gonna take Dave's wheels and have them completely redone. New color too, right?
Oh yeah.
So it's gonna go with the new wrap. By the way, how's the wrap coming?
Good.
Yeah? They're working on it? Almost done?
Halfway done.
Halfway.
Done this week.
There'll be an update on that a little later, but I gotta dive into this. I'm starving. That is an almond burger, you guys. No meat. I kid you not, this is one of the most delicious things I've ever had. Lunch complete. How you feeling?
Good.
Unfortunately, you got to go back to your mom's today, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Gonna miss my little filming buddy. Dave?
What's up, guys?
I'm stuck with you.
You're a lucky man.
Okay, guys. We're just waiting for the owner?
Yeah.
From Wheelcraft to show up. He had to go grab a Porsche. Let's talk about the Scuderia. We need to change the wrap. Give me some wrap color ideas. Drop a comment below. Wheels. I'm thinking we should change the wheels. Maybe go back from a 20 down to a 19. better performance, right? Sticky tires make the car quicker. Besides, this is a track-focused race car for the street, so I think we need to get back to its heritage. Honestly, bro, like the backs are so huge. We went up from the stock tire sizing on this is, I believe, a 295 rear. This is a 345 rear, right?
Wow.
So more grip, but it's definitely slowing the car down on some level. The other thing we were talking about was sound, right?
Yes.
Exhaust system. So this is completely stock. There's no tune. There is a full factory exhaust system from Ferrari. I do love the way this sounds, so I kind of don't want to mess with it. Tuning the engine, exhaust system. Man, you run out of ideas for the Scuderia real quick, because this car is already so crazy from Ferrari. We can go check out the wheels?
Yeah, let's go do this.
All right. Close this up. How you doing, Tyler?
Good.
Keep it coming. Keep it coming. So we have the M3 project, as you know, underway. And this is the next part of it. So Dave has these wheels.
Yeah, I have these wheels I bought.
They need a little love. Wheelcraft specializes in refinishing wheels, fixing them up if you have any damage, and we're gonna go through the process. So today is gonna be just delivering the wheels and essentially disassembly, because these are a 3-piece wheel and they have all the bolts. This is what we were talking about. So check this out, you guys. See all this nasty brake dust buildup? Now, if you ceramic coated these, a pressure washer would literally just completely clean that wheel.
Here's the thing, I think they've been painted before.
Really?
Because if you look at the hardware, this could be an issue. Look at the hardware. It looks like someone's painted right over it.
Right into the hole.
Yeah.
Choices of bronze, guys. We gotta pick a bronze. Because the wrap's like a dark color, something with some gold fleck in it.
I like this one.
Yeah, that one's...
This one or this one? Right?
Yeah.
Or the second one.
I like this one.
I like this one.
That one.
Yeah.
So welcome to Wheelcraft. This is Jazz, owner. You guys are busy.
Every day.
We got Dave's wheels.
Yep.
And we're gonna make them look good.
Yes, we are.
So right now, the current dilemma, whoever refinished these before, painted right over everything. We even reuse this hardware. We might have
We're
to get
gonna
some
give
new
it a
hardware.
try.
Yeah, give it a try.
Yeah. Unbolt them.
We'll try. Step one today is delivering the wheels to you guys,
Yes, sir.
and you're gonna disassemble them.
Clean them up, scotch them, get them ready for paint.
Yeah.
Them up a bit.
All right. So let's watch a wheel get torn apart.
Let's do it.
How many bolts are there?
There's 40 bolts per wheel. They're like seized onto the wheel. I'm sorry guys. Dave's a jerk. Look at this. Look at the muscles he's got to put into each. And what's the worst part is he's currently just going around loosening them from the backside, because once he loosens them to a certain point, they start to spin on the front. And like I showed you, the fronts are filled with paint.
Man, I am tired.
Everything on this wheel is seized. We've tried all of these tools and all of these muscles. No bueno. So right now we're thinking we're gonna drop them off at a machine shop to have the bolts literally drilled out of them. Nice wheels, Dave.
Thanks, guys.
Dave sucks. See you, Jazz.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. Terry, take care. We're out, guys. We'll be back to Wheelcraft in a few days when the wheels are completely torn apart and prepped for the new finishing. And we're gonna look for hardware. Dave, you really made wheels a big deal.
I feel like, I feel bad right now. Like they're the best.
You
here.
should
They've
feel
seen it
bad.
all, but like nothing's ever simple with me. How about some wheels? Everything's wrong with them. The good news is these guys are awesome and they'll get it done.
Then, by the way, what happened to your lip?
Okay, so what happened was I was taking apart a door panel.
Hold on, let's see.
Don't touch it.
Sure. I'll
It
gonna
hurts.
touch it.
It hurts. It hurts.
It's all black and like.
I was
fat.
taking apart a door panel with some Nuno's pliers, and I took it to, right to the. And it was bad yesterday. It was bad.
He hit himself in the face with tools.
Cried.
All right, bro. Later.
See ya.
Oh my gosh.
He actually hit me. That's the real story.
That's the real story.
But-
Check this thing out. GT3. This thing's sick.
That's not bad.
Is this yours?
No. Porsches.
Steal it.
Can't.
When did it get so windy?
I don't know.
It's like super windy out. Oh, I think I left it unlocked and I just locked it. That sounds pretty good. Doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Give it a little. Woohoo! Oh. All right, you guys. Car's dirty. We gotta give it a quick bath. Then I'm gonna head home, and this vlog's pretty much gonna be over. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that subscribe button, throw me a thumbs up, and tell me what color you think the wrap should go. Also, give me your opinion on the wheel color. That's it. Why don't we give her a quick bath? Oh, and if you're from the United States, we have coins for our $1 and $2 bills. They're called loonies, and $2 are called toonies. I don't know who thought this stuff up, but it's annoying. Like 10 or 20 bucks is very heavy in your pocket.